Want to send USDT to a friend on Goteo without those pesky external transfer fees? Let's dive into a super simple way to do an internal transfer. First, log into your Goteo account and find the wallet icon, usually located in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Spot Account. This will take you to your main trading wallet. Now, in the search bar, type USDT to quickly find your USDT balance. This filters your assets, making it easier to locate the crypto you want to send. Once you've found USDT, click on the Withdraw button located on the right side of the USDT route. Even though we are doing an internal transfer, we still use the withdraw function. On the withdrawal page, pay close attention to the network selection. It is crucial to select Goteo to perform an internal transfer. From the network options, specifically choose Goteo. Selecting this ensures your USDT stays within the Goteo ecosystem, avoiding external blockchain fees and processing times. Now, in the recipient field, carefully enter the Goteo user ID or the registered email address of the person you are sending USDT to. Then, specify the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Depending on your security settings, you'll likely need to enter your fund password or complete a 2FA verification to confirm the transfer. Always double-check the recipient's ID or email and the transfer amount before proceeding. Finally, review all the details on the confirmation screen. And if everything looks correct, click Confirm, and that's it. Your USDT has been internally transferred.